Ladies and gentlemen, we are back on day 29 of our 2 steps to create a miracle in your life using Earl Nightingale's powerful process. By now, I know that each and every day you wake up knowing that you have that impulse, that need to go ahead and get out that goal card and to read it, to work harder than you've ever worked before and to stick with it. At this point, with the results you've got to be seeing, it doesn't even feel like work anymore because you know that every step that you take is getting you closer to your goal. I know how important that is to you, and I know how good it feels when you can sense that goal getting closer and closer, and you can feel that progress getting faster and faster. With that being the case, I know that each and every day that you read that goal, you recognize that goal is inevitable. You are going to accomplish it, and you're already thinking about what is going to be the next goal, the bigger goal. How am I going to inspire other people to reach their goals? With that in mind, I want you to take that as your next massive step. Inspire at least one other person to try this method, to take these 2 steps and create a miracle in their life. They need you. Everyone needs an example, a hero to look up to. You can be that person. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.